everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, I spent so much money at Walmart this week, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Like, the bills can wait because we have stuff to do. It was like 30 degrees in South Carolina this past week, and that is definitely like snuggle up buttercup, sitting around a fire, drinking some hot cocoa weather. So I went on Walmart's website and I picked out several style of coats that will fit multiple occasions, climates, and price points. I cannot wait to show you these, so sit on back and relax, and let's get into this week's Walmart haul. Announcements before we begin. All of the items will be linked down in the description. Just look for the corresponding number that you see on the screen. I will also have my measurements and any information that I think would be helpful for you down in the description as well. And I do also say a prayer at the end of most of my videos, so I just wanted to let you know that beforehand, because I know a lot of people don't stay to the end. But if you are interested in a little prayer at the end, definitely stay to the end, because I will have that for you. So this first jacket is by the brand Scoop, and it is their women's faux leather Moto jacket, coming in at $45. It does come in multiple colors, which I will put on the screen for you. It is 100% polyester, and it is machine washable, which is definitely a winner chicken dinner in my book. It has a mid-weight with a modern oversized fit. It does have the zippers on the sleeve, which I really do appreciate all the detail and thought that they put into the jacket this year. I do have Scoop's faux leather Moto jacket from last year, and I have to say I do like this one better. I just wanted to point out a couple things to you. This pocket right here is completely fake. You can't do anything. That's as far as it opens up. And so is this little coin pocket down here. It is also fake. If I can get it open. Seriously? Okay, there you go. So is this. It's just, it's fake. And these little buttons right here are just for show as well. So I don't know. I have a little bit of mixed emotions about brands making things or putting things on jackets that are not useful. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what your feelings are on that. I mean, it looks cool, but I would like it to also be functional. I don't know. It's just a little pet peeve of mine, I guess. But overall, I really like this. I really do think this would take any outfit to the next level, or, turn a really like girly and classy outfit and give it a little bit of edge. So this next jacket is by the brand Time and True, and it is their women's and plus stretch packable jacket, and it is $24.96. This one also comes in multiple colors. I did choose white because white is really trendy this year, so I wanted to be able to show you an option if you are looking for some more if you are looking for some more trendy pieces. So the exterior of this jacket is 100% nylon, which is going to help protect you from the wind, and it's also water resistant. It is also machine washable. Again, we love that. It is a relaxed fit, and it does feature a removable hood. Now, I did get this in a size medium because I already purchased this same jacket last year in the color black. It's still put up in my winter stuff. I have not got that out yet. But I purchased it in a size medium, and I really like the way that it fit. And that jacket still looks brand new. So these jackets, even though they are under $30, really do hold up well. Now, this jacket last year was under $25, so they did go up a little bit, but I still think it's a good deal for, under $30. So just a couple details that I wanted to show you. It does have the removable hood. If you're not a hood person, it does have nice pockets that do zip up. It also has the really soft and fluffy lining inside the pocket, so they're going to keep your hands really warm. You can zip them up so that way you don't have to worry about things falling out of them. I really like the length of this jacket, and I really like the puffiness on this one. I don't like a really big marshmallowy looking puffer jacket, and I feel like this really is the perfect puff to a puffer jacket. So this next jacket is by the brand Time and True also, and it is their women's toggle coat with hood, and it is $44.98. Now this one is made up of 100% polyester, both the exterior and the interior, and it is spot clean only. But I do appreciate that the inside is this really soft fabric. The coats that have like that real kind of shiny nylon material, there is nothing worse than being really cold and then putting on a jacket and that like nylon material being really cold. I cannot stand that. So I do really like that this one is not made like that. It is a mid-weight jacket with a relaxed fit, and it does have a zipper closure, but you could also put the little toggles together if you'd like. I think it looks so cute on. I really do appreciate this back pleating on the coat. I didn't really understand what that was all about, but now I definitely can see why they put it on there, because you know, when you go like this, it opens up so you have more room. So I really appreciate that. I thought like that's just a weird thing to do, but you know, it totally makes sense now. I think this is going to be a really good choice for you if you live in like a medium temperature climate. I think it would do a really good job of keeping you warm and cozy. It does say that the outside is like a wool material, so just keep that in mind if you're not like a woolly person. No, if you're not into wool, then you may not like this, but again, I do think it's going to keep you really warm, and I really do like the way it looks. All right, so this next coat is definitely not one to keep you warm. I could not help but get it because I thought it looked really cool, and it is definitely on trend this fall. It is by the brand Madden NYC, and it is their women's and juniors cropped denim jacket, and it is $24. It's 98% cotton and 2% spandex. It is a relaxed fit with a cropped length. It has that really trendy distressed hem to it. And I think this jacket is going to be so cool this fall. You can style it so many different ways, layer it over dresses for like a little bit more classy look, or you know, over a tank top with some leggings. So many ways to style this, and I really do like the distressing on this one. I think that they did not overdo it with this jacket. There's no like gaping holes in it. Some of the distressing is like literally sewn distressing, so it is going to help keep you a little bit warmer, at least your arms, and I just cannot wait to keep playing with this and see the different ways that I can style it. Hey everyone, I just wanted to chime in real quick and ask that if you have found any value from this video, any entertainment, or just want to be really awesome, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would join this little YouTube family. I do post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. I try to post at least one video a week, but all of my videos are designed to help you save your money, your time, and your peace of mind. So if all that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get back to this video. So this next jacket is by the brand Time and True, and it is their women's Anorak jacket with hood, and it is $24.98. But the shell of this jacket is 100% polyester. It would be a really good rain jacket because it is water and wind resistant. This jacket is machine washable. I did get it in my true size small. However, the sleeves were definitely not long enough for me. I am 5'8" and I am lengthy and long everywhere. So if you have long arms like myself, I definitely recommend sizing up in this one. It does have some really nice features to it. It has the like kind of high-low thing going on, so it is going to cover your booty, so it would be great to wear with leggings. I actually think this would be a great jacket to wear year-round if you're looking for like a windbreaker or like a rain jacket. I think this would be a really good choice. It does come in multiple colors, and I am just really obsessed with these deep like jewel tone colors. I like the silver accents that it has on the toggles and on the ends of the strings right here. It does have a cinchable waist. If you want to give yourself a little bit more of a figure, you have that option as well. It has a nice hood to it, but I do think that this jacket would be really perfect for right now, and again, all year long. All right, y'all. So this big mamma jamma right here is our next coat. It's by the brand Free Assembly, and it is their women's long puffer jacket coming in at $69. It does come in multiple colors, including this really pretty, like, olivey green color. I could not help it. When I saw this yellow color, I could not stop looking at it, so I just had to pick it up. And pops of colors are really in this fall and winter season. If you're looking for those trendy pieces, I would definitely go with this bright yellow one. It is machine washable. The outer shell is 100% polyamide. I've never heard that before. I'll put it on the screen for you, but it is definitely going to be wind resistant and water resistant. And this jacket might not be useful right now for you, but Walmart's jackets sell out so quickly. So if you are living in a climate or planning a trip or vacation somewhere where this coat would be necessary, I would definitely go ahead and pick this up before it sells out. There are a few features that I wanted to go over with you. I really do think that they thought of so many things when they made this jacket. It has an invisible cuff, I guess you would call it, where it's gonna help keep you really warm, but it doesn't take away from the style of the jacket. So I thought that was really neat. It also has the ability to have a cinched in waist. I know these kind of jackets can kind of swallow you, so if you're looking for a little bit more structure or a little bit more form-fitting jacket, it does give you the option with this coat as well. If you are again out in some, pretty strong elements this winter, this is definitely going to be the one for you. So this next jacket is by the brand Free Assembly, and it is their women's double-breasted coat, and it is $69. I did get this coat in a size small, and I definitely recommend going up at least one size, maybe two. Now, I know that $65 seems really expensive for a coat, especially, at Walmart, because they're like more of an affordable store. I really think that $69 is a really good deal for a coat of this quality. It is made of 56% recycled wool, so it's going to keep you really, really warm. However, because of that, it is dry clean only. So if you are not about that life, I would definitely skip on this one. However, I don't know if you're going to find a coat of this quality with this material that's not going to be dry cleaned only. I love the kind of antique gold details with the buttons. The cuffs have that same gold button detail, but those are just for looks. They're not functional at all. The pockets are functional. However, you will have to take the stitches out. I don't know why. Can somebody please tell me why these coats come like this? Sometimes pants come like that. There's got to be a reason. I don't know what it is. So if you know, if you would please grace us with the explanation, I would highly appreciate it. I definitely think this coat will elevate any outfit. You could wear it to work. You could throw it over some sweatpants to have that model off-duty Hailey Bieber vibe going on. So if you are looking, sorry, I keep looking at it, it's over here. So if you are looking for a trench coat type styled jacket, this one is definitely for you. Okay, so this last coat, y'all, I honestly thought this was going to be the one that I liked least. However, I am always trying to stay up to date on trends, and these light colored or white fur coats are definitely on trend this year. So I decided to pick this up to, give you that option. And when this arrived in the mail and I put this jacket on, y'all, that was it. It was over. I am in love with this jacket. It is by the brand Time and True, and it is their faux fur cropped jacket coming in under $35 at $34.96. So I want to show you just some details that I really like about this jacket. One, I really appreciate and love that they made these little button backs the same color as the jacket, and they made the snaps hidden. So I feel like that really elevates this jacket and makes it look a lot more expensive than it is. I did get this in a size medium because the size small was sold out. Sizes are selling out on this because, again, this is a really trendy piece and under $35. So if you are interested in this, I would snatch it up quickly. But I did go up to a size medium, and I really do like the way it fits. I wish I could see what a small feels like, but this really is giving me a lot of room to layer, and it kind of gives it, a little bit of an oversized look on me. So I think that you would be fine to stick to your true size on this, or if you like how it looks on me, then I would go up one size. I'm telling y'all, even if you were like not into the faux fur scene, I highly recommend picking this up and giving this a try, because I promise you, once you get it, you are not going to be able to send it back. So that does wrap up this week's Walmart haul. Please tell me what you think down in the comment section. I love to hear your feedback. And let me know, is it jacket weather where you live? I would love to know what kind of weather you're having as well. We are at the point in my video where I do say a prayer for anyone who is interested. If you're not interested in that, that is totally fine. But before you go, I just want to let you know that I will have my Walmart haul playlist down in the description if you want to check this out after this video. And I do hope to see you real soon in my next video. If you are staying for the prayer, I just want to mention really quick that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests that you may have. You can either email me. My email address is down in the description, and also my Instagram is down in the description as well. You can message me over there, and I will absolutely pray for you in the privacy of my own home. I would never put your prayer requests on my channel, or pray for you on my channel. But right now, I'm just going to say a prayer. So if you'd like to pray with me. God, thank you so much for all that you do for us in spite of ourselves. There's so much going on in the world right now, so much going on in our lives, God. You know the need, you see it all. And I just pray right now, Lord, that wherever we may be, whoever is watching this, that you just give them that peace that surpasses all understanding, that even though things may seem very overwhelming right now, there may be a lot of uncertainty in our lives. There might be, friends or families with health problems, financial burdens going on, that even though we may not see the outcome, that you have everything under control. So I just pray, God, right now that you give us the gift of faith, that your will be done in our lives, and that you give us the wisdom and the peace and the courage to just do the next right thing, Lord. I thank you so much for bringing these beautiful people to this channel, God, that we may hang out and talk about things and just, give you glory at the same time, Lord. So I just pray that, God, you keep us safe and healthy and very blessed until the next time we meet. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and staying for the prayer. It means a lot that I even have this opportunity to do this, and I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to send me any prayer requests that you may have, and I do hope that you do stay happy, healthy, and very blessed until the next time we meet. Bye. Hey everyone, welcome to my Hey everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Oh my gosh, seriously. All this stuff is back here. Get up. Just get down. Go somewhere else. Okay. Put this on too. Hey everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Oh, I don't have the paper. I need it.